Today I'll be taking the session on 7 things that you should definitely not do during step 1. When I started my preparation for the step 1, I only had very few seniors to guide me. So I made a lot of mistakes down the road, and it took me considerably more time to write the step 1 exam, because my preparation was I did not have the correct guidance to boost my preparation and cut my time. So I would like to share some of the inputs with you that you can uh, avoid wasting your time on, and your resources, your economic resources, your money on, and spend time in a more directed fashion so that you get a better score and clear the USMLE step 1 with ease. Okay, so this will be a very interactive session. I will after each slide, I will promote uh, I will like to have responses from the people. So I'll be keeping my chat box open, and after every one of each of the 7 points, we'll be talking about whatever quick doubts you can have on that, or whatever input I can give you per se for that particular thing that you should avoid, or how to get around it. Okay, so let's start.